This simple children's storybook has generated an impressive $319,000 in passive income. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of launching a similar venture, from conceptualizing the book idea and creating its core content to producing high-quality illustrations, all made possible with the incredible power of AI technology. If you're interested in discovering how to create a stream of passive income, I urge you to watch this video until the very end. I promise you'll find valuable insights that are not readily available elsewhere. My journey into this venture began while I was exploring potential passive income ideas for my business on Amazon. That's when I stumbled upon a seemingly ordinary product, an illustrated storybook for children. You might wonder what's so intriguing about it. However, after conducting extensive research, I was astounded by the impressive earnings these sellers were generating by offering simple storybooks like these. For instance, consider this book with 16,153 ratings. If we multiply that by its price of $7.89, you'll realize that the seller has amassed over $133,000 from this single book. Now, let's take a look at another one with 4,482 ratings, priced at $5.97. That translates to over $26,000 in earnings. And there's even one that has raked in over $156,000 in sales. What's truly remarkable is that you can publish these books at absolutely no cost through Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Inspired by this discovery, I thought, why not create a similar book using ChatGPT, publish it on Amazon, and establish a passive income stream that earns money while you sleep? This led me to create this video with the aim of helping as many individuals as possible. Now, as you may be aware, crafting a compelling storybook requires a captivating narrative idea. To kickstart this process, I engaged a chatbot and requested it to generate a title for a children's storybook. The initial suggestion was The Magical Adventures of Luna the Brave Unicorn. But I sought something more captivating, so I gave it another try. The title, The Enchanted Forest, A Tale of Friendship and Adventure, sounded appealing, but we wanted something exceptional. After some brainstorming, we settled on The Adventures of Johnny and Jimmy, The Quest for the Hidden Riches. This title promised an exciting and captivating story to begin with. Following this, I engaged the chatbot to provide additional details about the story. It revealed that our book would target children aged 6 to 10 and revolve around the thrilling journey of two young friends searching for a hidden treasure deep within the jungle. I was truly enthusiastic about this concept, so I decided to proceed with it. Our next step was to craft the story outline. The chatbot efficiently generated chapters and provided detailed scenes for each. Here's a glimpse. Chapter 1, The Mysterious Map. Chapter 2, The Quest Begins. Chapter 3, The Enchanted Forest. Chapter 4, The Riddle of the River. Chapter 5, Into the Cave of Shadows. With the story outline in hand, we were poised to create the actual story content based on these chapters. The process was surprisingly simple. I copied the text for the first chapter, The Mysterious Map, pasted it into the chat, and set the prompt to write a rhythmic story. After a quick generation, I reviewed the content. If it didn't meet my expectations, I had the option to regenerate it until it was just right. I followed this process for all the chapters, and in just a matter of minutes, I had a complete story ready to be transformed into a book capable of generating passive income, without the need to personally write a single word. It's astonishing to contemplate how rapidly we developed the story idea, outlined the chapters, and generated the story content. Yet, believe me when I say, the most astounding part is yet to come. If you've been enjoying the video so far, kindly take a moment to hit the like button. We all understand that even with the best story idea, a book may fall short without captivating illustrations. Traditionally, commissioning artists to create illustrations can cost thousands of dollars. However, what if I told you that every image you see on the screen was generated using an AI art generator, absolutely free? It might sound unbelievable, but I assure you, it's true. You've likely heard of AI and how it can generate original images based on text descriptions. This is precisely what I employed to bring my story's first chapter to life. Allow me to demonstrate how I achieved this. When it comes to AI art generators, the market offers a multitude of options. I personally conducted extensive testing across various platforms, and my initial choice was MidJourney due to its exceptional image quality and initial free trial offering. However, it's important to note that MidJourney has since discontinued its free trial and transitioned to a paid membership model. In light of this change, I delved into research to discover an alternative that remains free for users. This quest led me to Leonardo's AI, a notable contender in the AI art generator landscape. Leonardo's AI has gained recognition for its ability to produce high-quality images comparable to MidJourney. And the best part is that it offers a free-to-use option. For those seeking additional features, an upgrade to a premium membership is available. This alternative ensures that you can continue to create stunning artwork without the need for a paid subscription. The process of signing up is a bit tricky, so I'll quickly walk you through each step to create your account. First, just click the link in the description below this video to get to Leonardo AI. Once you've done that, the website should look something like this. What you'll do next is click Early Access right here, then submit your email right here and click this button. After that, click this button here to join Discord, then click here to accept their invite. If you already have a Discord account, you can then join their server directly. If you don't have a Discord account, just create one. Download the application to your computer and then join the server. It's completely free to do. This window will then pop up, which will ask you to select the language or languages that you speak. You can select one or more, or you can choose not to select any at all and just click Skip right here. Next, it will ask you what you will do with their eye. You can just select Create Art and then click Next. Then it asks you to acknowledge that Leonardo's AI is a separate web application by checking these two boxes right here. So just go ahead and do that, then click Finish right here. You will then be brought into their Discord server, and it should look something like this. Next, I want you to scroll down on the left-hand side and click here where it says Priority Early Access. After that, scroll up a bit here and click here where it says Form, then click Yep. To be taken to a new web page, you'll then want to quickly fill out this information. So, under Have you joined the Leonardo AI Discord, select Yes. Then add your Discord username, which you can find on the Discord application at the bottom right corner. Then add the email you use to sign up for your Leonardo Y. Then finally add your first name and click Submit. Now that you've submitted your form, you will then want to go back to Leonardo's AI and click here where it says Launch App. Then click this button that says, Yes, I'm whitelisted, and then click this button here to log in to Leonardo. When it comes to accessing Leonardo AI, you have a few options based on your account setup. If you have a Gmail account, simply click here to sign in using your Gmail credentials. However, if you don't have a Gmail account or encounter any registration issues, you can manually enter your email information in this field and click Sign In. Occasionally, there might be a glitch that prevents successful registration. In such cases, click Sign Up right here and provide the same email address you used on Leonardo AI previously. Once you've completed these steps, you'll gain free access to Leonardo's AI platform. Inside Leonardo, you'll discover a vibrant collection of images continuously generated by users. The platform's clean and organized interface sets it apart, offering a more user-friendly experience compared to MidJourney. To generate your own image, you'll start with a prompt. Click on AI Image Generation right here, and you'll be prompted to enter your description, explaining the type of image you wish to create. Refer back to the story chapters you've generated. For instance, if your first chapter is titled Introduction to Johnny and Jimmy, Discovery of the Old Treasure Map, paste this text into the prompt section and append Kids Storybook to specify the desired art style. Then, click Generate and patiently await the image creation. It's worth noting that the free version of Leonardo's AI allows you to generate up to 150 images, with a reset every 8 hours. To make the most of the free version, I recommend selecting the lowest image quantity per prompt, ensuring you can accumulate a significant number of images for your storybook. As you can see here, 4 images have been generated for us. Select your favorite image from the generated options and download it by clicking the Download Image button right here. If you wish to make any edits to the image, such as removing specific elements, click on the Edit in Canva button right here, which will take you to a new editing page. Now, let's suppose you want to create a new image featuring the same characters as your first image. Here's a useful trick. If your storybook characters don't have names, you can create names for them. In my case, I have two characters named Johnny and Jimmy. To maintain consistency, I make sure to specify who Johnny and Jimmy are and their age if it's relevant. So, to describe my characters, I begin each prompt with Johnny and Jimmy, the 10-year-old human boys. For instance, to create the second image of the chapter, setting off on their adventure, first clues and challenges, I simply copy the prompt and paste it into the input field. Remember to specify exactly who your characters are, so I add Johnny and Jimmy, the 10-year-old human boys at the beginning of the prompt, followed by the rest of the description and kids' storybook at the end. This is what our second image looks like. I repeated this process for all the images I wanted to generate, and I had all my illustrations ready for use in about 30 minutes. I won't go through the entire process for all the chapters in this video, as it would be quite time-consuming, but I hope you now have a clear understanding of how it works. Approach each section individually and generate images based on your storyline topics. Once all of our images are generated, I'll guide you on creating a professional-looking storybook by seamlessly combining the text generated by ChatGPT with the images generated by Leonardo AI. First, head over to canva.com and search for Storybook. Click Enter, then create a blank storybook by clicking here and upload the AI-generated images into it. You can easily drag and drop your first image into the template. Next, visit ChatGPT and copy the initial part of your story. Paste it on top of your image and fine-tune the text to your liking, adjusting aspects like color, font style, shadows, and more. After you're satisfied, duplicate the template so you can add the new image while maintaining a consistent style. Repeat this process for all the chapters in your book. Finally, save your book as a PDF, and there you have it, a professionally crafted storybook. Now, there's just one more crucial step to take in order to kickstart your passive income journey, publishing your book on Amazon. While I can't cover the entire process here due to its length, you can find numerous YouTube tutorials that provide step-by-step guidance on how to do this. To recap quickly, here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Use ChatGPT to generate your story idea. 2. Create your story outline with chapters. 3. Utilize Leonardo's AI to generate illustrations. 4. Add the story text to the images using Canva and save as a PDF for printing. 5. Upload your storybook to Amazon KDP. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.